Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start by understanding that cornstarch is not a traditional flour roux, but a rapid thickener ideal for gluten-free sauces. Measure 1 tablespoon cornstarch per 1 cup liquid for a light sauce, or 2 tablespoons per cup for thicker results. Always dissolve cornstarch in cold water before adding to hot liquid. Use 2 tablespoons cold water for each tablespoon cornstarch to form a smooth slurry. Whisk the slurry into simmering liquid, then simmer gently for 1 to 2 minutes, until glossy and translucent, to remove any raw starch flavor. To prepare, first measure your liquid and determine thickness. 1 tablespoon cornstarch per cup liquid for light, 2 tablespoons per cup for thick. Combine cornstarch with cold water, 2 tablespoons water per tablespoon cornstarch, and whisk until smooth. Bring the base liquid to a gentle simmer over medium-low heat, then slowly pour the slurry in while whisking continuously to prevent lumps. Once fully incorporated, maintain a gentle simmer for 1 to 2 minutes to activate thickening and remove raw starch notes. Then lower heat and taste for seasoning adjustments. Finish by stirring in any fats or acidic ingredients off heat. Butter, cream, or lemon juice can be added after thickening to preserve shine and flavor. If the sauce is too thin, add another slurry made with 1 tablespoon cornstarch and 2 tablespoons cold water, whisking in gradually until desired body forms. If too thick, thin with small additions of hot liquid, 1 tablespoon at a time, up to about 1 cup is needed. Avoid prolonged boiling, because cornstarch-thickened sauces can break down after 3 to 4 minutes at high heat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.